Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to show my gratitude to committee who allowed me to join the competition. May all of us still healthy during this pandemic and keep doing what government asks to do to prevent ourselves from COVID-19 virus. Before I start my speech, let me introduce myself. My name is Siska Marta Hapsari. I'm from Stikes Notokusumo, Yogyakarta. The reason is joined the public speaking because I want to add to my experience of attending competition held from various institutions and learning and learning the ability to communicate in English. The topic I will discuss is diet of diabetes, which I chose this topic because I help the patient or friends to understand what foods the diabetic is having and what is being described. Not only do I present the subject to diabetes, but it also helps other listeners to broaden their horizons. What is diabetes mellitus? According to the Ministry of Republic Indonesia, diabetes mellitus is a persistent disease characterized by glucose levels in the blood that exceed normal value. Normal or non-diabetes grades are below 140 mg per deciliter, pre-diabetes 140 until 199 mg per deciliter, whereas diabetes is said to be at 200 mg per deciliter or more. Data from World Diabetes Sufferers in May 2020, the International Diabetes Federation (IDF) reports 463 million adults in the world having diabetes with a 9.3% global prevalence. The symptom of diabetes mellitus: 1. Polydipsia or a continual thirst. 2. Polyphagia or hunger continuously. 3. Polyuria or being allowed. 4. Limp body. Judging from the symptom of diabetes sufferers need to maintain their intact diet of diabetes so that sugar in the blood does not increase from normal value. The diet of diabetes mellitus is a helpful diet to help control blood sugar for people diabetes mellitus. The amount of calories recommended is 25 until 30 calories ideal daily. Diabetes diet is given at 3-hour intervals, 3 main meals and 3 intermediate meals. Items recommended for the diet of diabetes mellitus are: 1. Complex carbohydrate source such as rice, bread, noodles, potato, cassava, and yams. 2. Low-fat source of protein such as fish, chicken with no skin, skim milk, tempeh, tofu, and nuts. 3. A finite source of fat is a food that easily digested, especially food prepared by cooking, steamed, roasted, boiled, and boiled incinerated. Food that are discouraged for the diet of diabetes mellitus are 1. It contains many simple sugar such as sun sugar, java sugar, syrup, jelly, like bottle drinks, ice cream, and sweet cake. 2. It has a lot of fat, junk food, fritters. 3. Contains many sodium, such as saltwater fish, salted eggs, preserved food. Causing a type of food will affect the rate of rising blood sugar in the body. The glycemic index is the rate at which the food raises the level of blood sugar. The higher the glycemic index of the food. How to control blood glucose level is the ideal way: a balanced diet and exercise. How to lower glucose level blood? Wheat is a level carbohydrate diet such as soy milk, butter, red rice. Exercise such as walking, taking supplement, or increasing zinc in your diet to lower your blood sugar level, such as chicken, beef, salmon. Getting sufficient rest, the use of insulin or blood sugar drugs to dose. Recommendation for diabetes mellitus should be able to manage a good, healthy diet, perform regular exercise or physical activity, and routine of checking blood, mainly in blood sugar level. Thank you for your time you spent listening to my video. If there is less or more and wrong in my words, I am truly sorry of magnitude. It might add some insight into our being together. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.